Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I am the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about what you could expect once you have scheduled a case evaluation with a member of our team. And this is usually the second step in the process, right? So the first step is you call our office, you go through some initial screening on our end, some initial screening on your end, and if we think we might be a good fit to potentially work together, we get you scheduled for a case evaluation with one of our attorneys. And whether that's done in person, whether it's done on Zoom, whether it's done on Microsoft Teams, whether it's done over the phone, the structure and the organization of those calls are very simple, and it's important that we stick to that structure. So let's talk a little bit about what you could expect. First, whatever we discuss during this time period, whether it's 45 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, however long we have you scheduled, we want to make sure it's a good time for you and it's a good time for us. And we want to make sure that you're in a place, if it's not in person, if it's telephonically or over Zoom, where you can speak freely and openly about the matter. Right? So we don't want a whole lot of background noise. We prefer there not be a ton of people in the background talking to you, distracting you, those types of things, because we're giving you our full attention and we obviously expect the same from you. Your case is too important to do it any other way. Everything we discuss is confidential during this case evaluation process, and the only way we would share anything we discuss during that process outside of the firm is with your consent and if it's to your benefit. So we want you to know that from the get-go, and that's stuff that we'll tell you from the get-go right away. Many clients, many potential clients finds it puts them at ease, so you know everything we discuss is confidential. And then what we'll do is we'll give you in that call, we'll give you an outline of what you could expect. And after we assure you of the confidentiality, secure the time, we'll start talking about how this call is going to be structured, and we're going to learn more about you. We're going to ask you a lot of biographical questions about you. We're going to ask you about where you grew up. We're going to ask you about what schools you went to. We're going to ask you about whether you're married, whether you have any children, your employment history. What are your hopes and what are your dreams? Where are you going in life? Where do you want to go? And what is now at stake? What is now at risk because of this case? And then we'll go into opening up to obviously whatever questions you may have for the individual attorney you're on the call or on the meeting with, and about the firm in general. Then we'll go through your options. If one of those options are you want to hire the firm, and if the firm wants to take the case, then and only then will we discuss how much something like this costs and whether or not we're still a good fit to work together. So we hope this video has provided some value and some insight on what you could expect during your case evaluation process with my firm, a member of our team here at the law office of David P Shapiro. If you have any questions about your criminal case whatsoever, you can always reach out to my firm. We'll try and help you in any way we can. 619-295-3555.